In this series of tutorials, we will teach you how to use all the tools of the JFR plugin. First, we need to install the JFR plugin. This is the JFR toolbar. It is divided into several labels. Most of the tools are in the main toolbar. Then there are two sidebars on the left and right sides of the viewport. These are the most commonly used tools for modeling, so they're placed on both sides to make them easier to find. If you want to display these two sidebars, you can turn them on in the toolbar layout. Put a check mark on both options. And this is the main JFR toolbar option. We have also added a toolbar for the middle mouse button. The tools in here are also the most commonly used at work. You can open it in the options, mouse options, and turn on MouseMid. After setting this up, let's learn about JFR's view tools. Let's start by switching to the view tools. Look at the first one. Left view. Click on it to switch. Then the right view, front view, and back view. Top view and bottom view. This is the rotation of the view along the x-axis. Each click rotates the view. You can hold down space to keep rotating the view, or rotate the view along the y-axis. Just click and hold space. Rotate the view on the z-axis the same way. Switch to the positive view first. These next icons are the display modes of Rhino. Because the tool is commonly used, it's placed here. There may be beginners learning from this tutorial, so let me explain the basics. Clicking on these two icons allows you to undo or redo operations. Default hotkeys are Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y respectively. This is for view panning. This is to rotate the view. This tool zooms in on the area inside a box. You can zoom in and out by selecting a part of the view. The mouse wheel also zooms in and out of the view. Of course, these tools can also be activated using hotkeys. For example, to rotate the view on the x-axis, hold Ctrl+Shift plus right mouse button to rotate the view. Hold down Shift alone to rotate vertically. The same applies to y-axis rotation. After rotating the view, press and hold Shift. To pan the view, press the right mouse button. Note: after pressing Ctrl+Shift+ right mouse button to rotate the view, in perspective view, just press the right mouse button to rotate the view directly. To pan the view in perspective view, hold Shift plus right mouse button and drag. If you want to switch between views quickly, you can set your own hotkeys. For example, press F and space to switch to the front view. Press Shift and right mouse button to click on the icon. Copy this command. Then go to the Tools menu. Select Alias. Click on New. On the left, enter the hotkey you want to set. Paste the command on the right. For example, on the left, enter T. That's it. Then press T plus space to activate the tool directly. Okay, that's all for this video. If you don't want to miss the newest video tutorials, please subscribe to us and turn on the little bell.